Are you planning to replace your kitchen countertops and wondering about the cost? The expense can vary, influenced by factors like labor, material choice, and kitchen size. Stick around as we delve into the factors that influence the cost of replacing your kitchen countertops. Several factors determine the cost of replacing kitchen countertops. The lion's share of the cost often comes down to labor and materials. The type of material you choose can significantly affect the price. For instance, high-end materials like marble are typically more expensive than alternatives like granite. Size, of course, also plays a role. A larger kitchen will require more countertop material, hence a higher cost. The shape of the countertop can also influence costs. Custom shapes or intricate designs will likely require more labor and materials, thereby increasing the price. Project complexity is another factor. Are you considering fancy edging treatments or backsplash installation? Or perhaps you're installing in an outdoor kitchen. These enhancements can add to the overall cost. Additionally, removal of existing countertops can also drive up expenses. On average, you can expect professional countertop replacement to range from $15 to $70 per square foot. Remember, the more complex the project, the higher the cost. Looking for more affordable options? Let's consider these 4 materials. First, the butcher block offers warmth and charm, durability, and easy maintenance. Then we have laminate, available in various colors and patterns, mimicking luxury materials at a fraction of the cost. Quartz overlays provide a less expensive alternative to engineered quartz, while keeping a similar aesthetic. Finally, ceramic or porcelain tile offers a classic appeal with a wide range of materials, shapes, and colors. These materials can offer a great balance between cost and quality. Replacing kitchen countertops is an investment in your home's value and your quality of life. Remember, costs can vary based on factors like materials and complexity. For a stress-free experience, consider trusted contractors like Payless kitchen cabinets. With the right information and choices, you can enjoy new kitchen countertops without breaking the bank.